Hey everybody, Scott Carson here, and I want to invite you out to our next online 3-day note buying for dummies workshop that we're hosting September 25th, 26th, and 27th. That's right. If you've ever wanted to tap into the distressed note market, this is the workshop for you. It's full of all sorts of great, amazing nuggets. It's our nuts and bolts training that focuses on the 3 F's of note investing: how to find, fund, and flip. And obviously, more importantly, how to make money in the note space. We can all agree 2020 has been a crazy year, and the banks have a huge amount of debt. They are setting aside near record amounts of reserves on their portfolio to offset the losses that they're going to take in the fourth quarter and the first quarter of next year. And if you want to tap into that market, you want to tap into that $151 billion market of notes that are in default or in forbearance agreement, this is the workshop that you need to take to learn how to tap into that. Amazing time to buy debt. Banks not only have residential loans, but also a ton of commercial clogging up their books that they're going to be looking to move this quarter and into the next. So that's why it's important. If you want to tap into the note business, come on and join me online for 3 days of content, actions, and a ton of amazing nuggets for you to implement immediately in 2020. Yeah, I know it's been a crazy year, and part of the reason we're doing this workshop 3 to 4 times a year is because the market's constantly changing. So we're updating the curriculum and what we're going to be teaching to be directly related to what's going on in the market right now. We're doing something we've never done before. As a special bonus, we're going to be throwing in 4 weeks of coaching, 2 weeks before the workshop and 2 weeks after the workshop, to help you implement more and take more action to find more deals. And obviously, what's that mean? Make more money. Never done that before, but we're doing it with this workshop because we believe that the opportunities out there right now are going to be once in a lifetime. Yeah, maybe once every 10 or 20 years like it was 10 years ago. But guys and gals, not only are we going to throw in that 4 weeks of coaching to help you achieve more, we're also throwing in over $1,500 in bonuses. That's right. You get a ticket to 2 other amazing events. Not only that can help you get lines of credit from the banks, but also help you with your asset protection. A 2-day online event, and then a 3-day in-person wealth management summit as well. Both of those over $600 between the two of them right there for you guys out there. The replays are included. Your spouse or existing business partner can join on. You don't have to wait till September 25th. If you sign up now, you'll get the replays, the last workshop, so you can start learning and getting familiar with the terminology, the lingo, and be able to absorb that much more information on this upcoming workshop. I was the Note Educator of the Year because of how we teach and how we help students implement things. We've helped thousands of other note investors tap into their first non-performing or performing note from attending our Note Buying for Dummies workshop. And I'd love for you guys to be a part of that. If you go to notebuyingfordummies.com, just like it sounds, that'll take you directly to our checkout page. And for $5.99, you can get access to a lot of great information, our contracts, our forms, our scripts. We'll spend time going through how to find asset managers on day one. By the end of day one, you'll have over 3,000 banking contacts that you can reach to for note deals. Second day, we'll spend time going on how to raise capital, how to find investors in your backyard or all across the country who are looking to fund deals, who are actually active investors but have money burn a hole in their pocket to put it into your deals. We'll talk about how to find those and how to market your deals. On day 3, we'll spend a lot of time diving into the exit strategy, how to actually make money. What are the 10 to 12 different exit strategies that your deals can go down in order for you to make money and really create lemonade out of what the banks consider lemons these days? So encourage you to sign up for it. 3-day Note Buying for Dummies workshop. If at the end of day 1, you're like, this is not for me, I will gladly refund back your $59.99 for you guys. So I'd love for you to take action. It's going to be an amazing workshop with yours truly and a couple of my special guests that are going to be providing some great content for you to take advantage of and help you in your business today. Let's make 2020 end on a bang. Let's make the fourth quarter the most profitable quarter of the year and really set yourself and your business up for amazing things in the new year. So sign up today, notebuyingfordummies.com, and we look forward to seeing you at the top, everybody. Bye.